How to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening. If your Epic Games Launcher won't open, here's a quick fix you can try. First, right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager. Look for any Epic Games Launcher or Epic Games processes running in the background. Right-click each one and choose End Task to close them completely. Once all Epic Games processes are closed, open the Windows search bar and type Epic Games Launcher. Right-click it and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click Epic Games Launcher again and choose Properties. Next, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now launch Epic Games Launcher again. If prompted, click Yes to allow administrator access. The launcher should now start normally. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.